What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick review of Bazaardodo C6 wireless charger. We will talk about all of its features, design, pros and cons, and we will also compare it with few other wireless charging pads. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Bazaardodo C6 wireless charger comes in a nice premium looking box. Inside the box you will find the C6 wireless charger along with a carrying pouch. The mesh pouch is of very good quality, it's soft, thick, and it will protect the C6 wireless charger from any kind of minor impact. Talking about the design, the very first thing you will notice about the C6 wireless charger is that how thin it is. It is just 3.3 mm thin, and you will not find any other wireless charger easily that is just 3.3 mm thin. The build quality is nice. It is made of zinc alloy. On the top you will find the Bazaardodo branding. At the bottom you will find 4 pads for better grip on the surface. But this is what you are missing on the top of the C6 wireless charger. The top of Bazaardodo C6 is very slippery, and when you put the smartphone on top of it, then you have to make sure that the charger and the phone both are still. Otherwise the phone will easily slide from the top of the Bazaardodo C6 charger. The USB cable is integrated and connected to the body of C6, and there is no any other port or hole on the entire body of Bazaardodo C6, and because of that it comes with IP67 certification for waterproofing. So if you got a waterproof smartphone, then you can use the Bazaardodo C6 wireless charger underwater for charging your smartphone. Another highlighted feature of the design of Bazaardodo C6 is that the PCB and the coil are separated, and this is also one of the reasons that why this wireless charger is waterproof. Another drawback of the design of Bazaardodo C6 is that there is no LED indicator provided. And now let's talk about the features. Unlike other wireless charger, Bazaardodo C6 is a universal fast charging wireless charger. For every Android smartphones, it can provide up to 15 watt fast charging, and for iPhone you will get 7.5 watt fast wireless charging as well. C6 comes with intelligent foreign object detection, so if you keep anything else on the top of C6 instead of your smartphone, then it will stop charging to avoid any kind of damage to the charger. Even though C6 is super slim and there is no fan provided in it, the maximum temperature rise you will find is around 5 degrees Celsius only. So you can keep using Bazaardodo C6 for long without worrying about any damage to your smartphone or the charger itself. The price of Bazaardodo C6 wireless charger is just $16.95. So considering this price, I selected 2 other wireless charger in the same price segment. So we selected Samsung's fast wireless charger and also of Xiaomi. So while comparing, the very first thing that you will notice between these 3 wireless charger is the design. While Xiaomi 20 watt fast charger is 15 mm thin, Samsung's fast wireless charger is 11.9 mm thin, Bazaardodo C6 is just 3.3 mm thin. Xiaomi's 20 watt fast wireless charger is compatible with Xiaomi smartphones only, and if you use another smartphones, then the maximum output will be 10 watt only. The same goes with Samsung's 10 watt fast wireless charger as well. It is compatible with Samsung smartphones only, and for other smartphones you will get only 5 watt charging capability. While Bazaardodo C6 is compatible with any Android smartphone, and it will provide up to 15 watt fast wireless charging, and on iPhone it will provide 7.5 watt fast wireless charging. While Samsung and Xiaomi's fast wireless charger can provide only 5 watt fast wireless charging for iPhones. Another difference between these wireless charger is in terms of build quality and material. While Bazaardodo C6 uses zinc alloy for its construction, Xiaomi got silica gel and Samsung got a plastic body. But the good thing about Xiaomi and Samsung's fast wireless charger is that the top is less slippery compared to Bazaardodo C6. In all other things, whether it's design, performance or the features, Bazaardodo C6 is better compared to Xiaomi's 20 watt fast wireless charger and Samsung's 10 watt fast wireless charger. Also, none of these fast wireless charger are waterproof except the Bazaardodo C6. So if you're looking for a wireless charger for your smartphone or any other device, then Bazaardodo C6 is one of the best option for you. It is just 3.3 mm thin. It comes with universal 15 watt fast charging for Android and 7.5 watt fast wireless charging for iPhone. It comes with IP67 waterproofing. The PCB and coil are separated. The maximum temperature rise you will see is less than 6 degrees. And as we have seen, compared to other wireless charger in the same price segment, Bazaardodo C6 is better both in terms of design, performance and features. So if you're interested in buying Bazaardodo C6 wireless charger, then I have shared the link in the description of this video on which you can click and buy your Bazaardodo C6 fast wireless charger. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.